Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. I'm jumping on today to quickly show you a grilled chicken breast recipe that I do. We're going to marinate it tonight and let it sit in the fridge and then have it for lunch tomorrow. So I'm going to make a quick marinade tonight. It's very fresh, zesty lemon and herb marinade, but you can also add in additional spices and make it more spicy if you like it that way. So we're going to start off with 3 chicken breasts that we've butterflied so that they are thinner and they grill evenly when we grill them tomorrow. Then I've got a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then 4 garlic cloves that we've crushed. We got a lemon from the garden that I'm going to use the juice and the zest of. Then we've got a teaspoon of peri spice, and then a teaspoon of chicken spice. And then I've got mixed herbs and dried thyme that I'm going to add to the marinade, and then salt and pepper. So we're just going to add in the oil, the garlic. Then for the lemon, to make the juice come out more, we just roll it on the countertop. Makes it easier to juice. And then we're just going to use the zester to zest some of the skin of the lemon into the chicken. So you want the yellow skin and not the white pith. The pith of the lemon is going to be quite bitter, like the pith of any of the citrus fruits. Okay, and then we're just going to take the juice of the lemon and add it as well. When you are juicing the lemon, just make sure to try and grab the seeds. Then we're going to add in our chicken spice and our barbecue spice. Our chicken spice and our peri spice. And then we're going to add in about 1/2 teaspoon each of the dried thyme, and the mixed herbs. Grind of salt, not too much. We can always adjust salt later. And then a generous grind of fresh black pepper. Then I'm just going to mix all of this together. And coat all the chicken breasts, with the marinade. You can get in there with your hands if you have to. Just, be careful, it is chicken, so make sure that you wash your hands after. Okay, there you go. The chicken breasts are marinated. Let me just wash my hands. Okay, so the chicken breasts are marinated. We're just going to leave them overnight in the fridge, and tomorrow we'll grill them out on the plancha. Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. So it's the next day now. Our chicken breasts have marinated overnight, and we're just going to grill them out on the plancha. I got this plancha a couple of years back, and I like to use it when I'm grilling chicken in particular, but it can also grill other stuff like lamb chops and stuff. So I'm just gonna coat the plancha with a little bit of olive oil so that the chicken breast doesn't stick too much to the surface. And then we've got the marinated chicken breast. Okay, so I'm going to just do them one by one. The plancha is nice and hot. I'm just going to wash my hands. Okay, so I've just flipped over my chicken breast. It's getting grilled very nicely. And it gets grilled very fast, so it doesn't take that long time to grill out. Okay, so that's my first chicken breast done. I'll just do my second one and then I'll show you how we plate it up. Okay guys, there you go. 2 chicken breasts with a nice side salad for a healthy lunch. Quick and easy for a weekday while you're working from home. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons. My mom appreciates your support. Thank you.